What's up, world? It's your boy Joe Jack. I got an unboxing video. Actually, it's my first unboxing video, so I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to my page. Like, comment below, let me know what you think. If it's heat, if it's not. Like me personally, like I like what I like, I buy what I buy. So anything in my collection is heat to me. So let me know what y'all think, what y'all rocking. Like, without further ado, we just gonna get into it. We'll go with the first box. I order shoes a lot, so I don't know exactly what's in the boxes. I got an idea what I order, but I order shoes so frequently, and I don't know. So we're gonna see. I used to just cop shoes and then open them as soon as I get them, but that's kind of boring. So now I want to share them, basically share them with the world. Jordan 1 box. I don't know what's in it, so we got the quart purple ones. Waiting to get my hands on a pair of these. I wasn't able to cop them whenever they first dropped, but I got them for resale. I got them for a decent price, I feel like. So it was definitely a must-have when it came to the collection. Jordan 1s is really hot right now. That's a dope shoe. The leather, the quality on the shoe. I think I got the pine greens already, but I didn't have the quart purples. So it was definitely a must cop for me. Come with the different laces, lace bag. I'm not really big on switching the laces, but you do as you feel. Tell me what y'all think. Like, should I switch the laces? Should I just keep the black laces? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. How y'all lacing y'all's up. But these are the quart purple ones. It's the next box. I think these is Air Max. We'll just have to open it and see. Air Max 90. I got these off the sneakers app. Air Max 90. It's a dope shoe, crazy colors. I forget the name of it. These just came out maybe a week or two ago. I forget the name. They had a name. I don't know. I just seen them. I thought it was a dope shoe, so I grabbed them. Let me know in the comments below what shoe is. What's the name of the shoe? I'm drawing a blank right now, but it's a dope shoe. I definitely like. I'm more like bold colors and stuff like that, but I definitely like crazy colors from time to time. It's gonna be interesting putting the outfit together with these. This was definitely a dope pickup. I like these. Yeah, you got some peach or salmon type color, yellow, blue, maroon, black, green, gray. There's a lot going on, but follow me on Instagram. I'm definitely gonna get these together, put them on the outfit. It's gonna be interesting to see how I do this one. Okay, the next box. I ordered a bunch of shoes and they came in and I just kind of threw them off to the side. I got a lot of things I'm working on right now. I've been busy, so now I'm just opening them with y'all. So like, I don't know what's in here. Have to see. Oh, Jordan box. Retro 12. Okay, we got the Flint Gray Jordans. I didn't have these back in the day, so it was one of the ones where I couldn't wait to go back and grab this. The 12 is like one of my favorite silhouettes. It's just a dope shoe. I don't know what I was going through, but I definitely didn't have these back in the day. So when I had the opportunity to get them, I grabbed them. See me, like I said, I buy some of the hype stuff, but I also buy a lot of stuff that I missed back when I originally started collecting. This is a dope shoe. I definitely had to have these. Dead stock, of course. This back when all of the retros came with a card, came with the 12 card, which I always thought was pretty cool. Next box. We got the Nike swoosh. So for all my sneakerheads, y'all familiar with that, y'all pretty much know what these is, but y'all got an idea. Off-white. Air Max 90 is some of the best, it's the best, I don't know, it's one of my favorite silhouettes as far as the Air Max. Got the off-white, shout out to Virgil, shout out to Nike for the collab. It's a dope shoe. A lot of people like the Prestos, like I like the Prestos, but I like these. It's just a clean colorway, the black and white. They got like some nubuck right here. They got suede right here.
So with the off-white, that's worth the hype?
I don't know. We'll see. Next box. If I didn't order these so long ago, I would have an idea, what's in here. So we got a pair of Asics Gel Light 3. I think these are the France edition. Yeah. Nothing spectacular. As far as the Asics, I like the Gel 3s. Definitely a dope shoe. And then red and blue to me is always a dope colorway. You can do so many different things with this. Got the little gray. This is kind of like off-white. I don't know. I like this. Something I had my eye on for a while. Definitely put it together with an outfit. Really nice. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and you'll see me. Nothing spectacular. Some people don't like Asics. I did not like Asics. Like Asics, New Balances. I did not like those, but it's a cool little silhouette. Like I like these. Next box. Got a Nike box. Air Max ones. It's something I seen. I like the color. Nice little cop. The blue and the red and the yellow. I like the way they go together. It's something I felt like I could put together with an outfit. It ain't no hype shoe, ain't nothing spectacular. It's just something that I wanted. Nice little color. Air Max 1. Who buys this? That's pretty weird. You ever get the urge to just pop these? I could never. As a kid, I could never resist popping this. I'll do it after we get done recording this. We got a Jordan box, Retro 14, black toe. Nothing spectacular, basic. I honestly don't think I ever had this pair. I went back and got it. Nice dead stock, of course. 14, a lot of people don't like the 14s. It was always a favorite of mine. They're like super duper narrow, so I got 11 and a half in these. I'm a true 11, but certain shoes I get 11 and a half, so these are 11 and a half. Nice clean cut. You can definitely put it together with an outfit really nice. Like I said, you know me, I'm sneakers and swag, man. So if my sneakers ain't gonna look dope with an outfit, I probably don't even want them. And I'm pretty good at putting it together. Retro 14, black toe. What's up, world? It's your boy Joe Jack. I'm a sneaker enthusiast, sneaker connoisseur, sneakerhead, whatever you want to call it. I'm an OG in the sneaker game. I'm new to YouTube, so if you like me, subscribe to my page. I got heat. I got probably 200 pair of shoes that I'm gonna be showing. Unboxing, sneaker reviews, talking about swag, fashion. I got a lot coming. So just look out for me, like, subscribe, ring that bell so you can get the notifications. Follow me on Instagram at JoeJack23.